Okay, so you want to create a really cool coloring book because you can earn passively with these coloring books on sites like Amazon KDP. Now, the cool thing is, Nurie Creator is here and available for you to create those coloring books quick and easy. Today, I'm going to go over some of the features, just a very few of the new features available within Nurie Creator to make your coloring book creations shine and stand out. So let's get to it. Okay, here I am on Nurie Creator. I got my coloring book page image here. I want to show you some of the cool editing features that I haven't gone over in other videos. Okay, the first one is curve. Check this out. First thing you want to do is click on curve here towards the bottom or anywhere you want. You can just take your mouse and create a line. Okay, a regular line just like that. Okay. Of course, you can adjust the brush size if you want. Once you click on the line you want, you'll notice this red little button here, this red little dot, excuse me. You can grab your mouse, go over the red line, and you can curve it, just like that. I can create another one here, click on it, and curve it, like that. Okay? Same thing here. Click on that here, click on again, and then take that and curve it, okay? You can do all kinds of things with that. Here's another really cool shape. It's rectangle. Just create rectangles like that. Circles, of course, right there. You can move it around, put a circle within a circle. Point, just little dots here, all around your creation here. Okay, now again, with Nurie Creator, you can easily create all types of images using AI for your coloring books, okay? These are just some of the really cool things you can do. If you want more information on how to do this, check out the link below, and we'll send you that information right over. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Create a profitable coloring book using Nurie Creator in 4 easy steps. Step 1, put in your niche within the niche multiplier and hit generate. Step 2, add those images to your Speedy Book Export. Step 3, download the book. And step 4, upload to Amazon KDP. It's that simple. If you want this tool, make sure you check out the link below. There's so much to go over, so much to talk about that I can't do it in this little video, but you want to get inside and you want to get access to this. If you're at all interested in earning on Amazon KDP, the world's biggest buyer's search engine platform on earth. Okay, see you inside. Be good.